Hey everyone, it's Mike from Rogala Photography here. Today I want to do a photo or a video showing you guys how to create the infrared photo effect in Photoshop. It's actually really easy to do. Now, the proper way to do an infrared photo obviously would either be to have a converted camera that's converted over for infrared, like a spectrum camera, or the other alternative is you can buy a infrared filter that goes on the front of your lens. They work pretty good. Obviously not as good as a converted camera, but obviously a converted camera is a lot more expensive. You don't need an expensive camera for infrared photography though. So you can use a little cheaper camera, but still, it's still a little more money than actually just buying a filter. So, but if you already have Photoshop and you don't mind doing it in Photoshop, this is the way to do it. So, real quick, here's my layer. You want to try to make sure though, you don't have to, you can experiment, but try to make sure that you have foliage in your photo. That's really going to make the effect pop. But again, you can experiment with other photos as well. So just, play around with stuff, photo. If you see a photo you think would be pretty cool, infrared, go ahead and give it a shot. Okay. So I got my background layer here. I'm going to hit Command J on a Mac to create another layer. Then I want to hit Command I to invert that. And then I want to come on over to the blend mode, come all the way down to color, switch it over to color. All right. Now we need to switch the colors over. So we're going to come on over to the adjustment layer and then go to channel mixer. Make sure we are on the red channel, the red output channel first. And then we want to take the reds. Oops. What we got here? Reds. And we're going to go to 0. And then we want to make the blues 100. Okay. And then now we want to come on over to the blue channel and do just the opposite. Reds 100 and the blues 0. Boom. There you go. Okay. Now we want to kind of fix these colors a little bit. The pinks are not quite the color pink we want. So we want to use our adjustment panel. If you don't see your adjustment panel, come on up to window in the menu and then click adjustments. All right. Pretty simple. So we want to hit hue saturation. Okay. And then make sure we are on the red color right here. And we can just take the hue and play around until we get that traditional infrared pink looking color for foliage. And then we can saturate it a little bit more if you want to. And you can also brighten it or darken it if you want. Uh, leave it right about there. Now, if you have a sky, okay, and it did not switch over to cyan, then just come on over to the blue and then you can play with the hues to switch it over to cyan. In this case, it switched over. So I'm going to come on over to the cyans and I'm going to play around with that. And I don't want it as strong of a cyan. I'm going to saturate it and then I'm going to brighten it up just a little bit. Okay. And there you go. Infrared photography. So if you see here, before and then after, before and after. Okay. I should have told you this at the beginning, but just make sure that your photo is already edited. So you already got it looking the way you would look if it was just a regular traditional color photo. Then just bring it over into Photoshop. Or if you're already using Camera Raw, still bring it into Photoshop from Camera Raw. And then just do all the steps that I showed you. I mean, it's really that simple. So hopefully you liked my tip today. And we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.